Hey YouTube, today we're just going to start the beginning of the rebuild on the Thundercat 600. We're going to start with the easy thing. First thing is the foot peg, and if you look here, there's actually a rivet on the foot peg that holds the foot peg in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind the head off and then push it through. We're going to try to change the peg to the ones that were on the Ninja 250. They should fit. Most pegs are about the same. This way it doesn't cost us any money because we have them when we change the race bike to having ZX10 pegs. So first things first, like I said, I'm going to take a Dremel. And I'm going to knock just the head of this off. Okay, so it seemed like the bottom one was a little mushroom, so what I did is I cut the top of the pin off, or ground it off, and now I'm going to knock it through. Alright, so basically knocked it out. It was hard to get through. I got it out, and now you just got to put the other peg on. Okay, so realize the Cowie ones aren't going to fit because the actual hole for the pin is way too big, and this is a really tiny pin. So what we'll do is we'll go get a Yami one, but we're ready to go on this. So right now we'll stop the video and go get ourselves a Yami one.
So today I got in the mail my new foot pegs. They're metal, they're not rubber isolated anymore. So you can give it a different look. I'm going to put it on the right side. I'm going to leave the left side to do it a little bit later because it is kind of crappy out to rip out the Dremel and stuff. So I just want to put on the right side to get the bike at least where it's got a foot peg on the right side now. So let me go and put the bottom peg touchdown for when you come around a corner it touches the ground. Put that on it, and then I'll come back on. Normally how you take the pegs off and on is there's a little bolt that bolts this little bracket that actually holds the peg on. It's a bolt in the back. I didn't take it off this time, but I mean, as you can see, the pegs are springing back. This is a little bit wobbly, so I'll have to tighten it up.
Okay, so on the other side, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the old peg off from its mount and then grind it from while it's off the bike. This way I don't have to grind it from inside.
So we got the bolt loose, and my dad has got it off now. It's a 14mm bolt, and that's how you're actually supposed to take off the pegs, not the way that we cut it off the first time.
So basically Yamaha sells this as one whole unit. They don't make a replacement peg, so when you drop it, you're kind of screwed. So what we did is we drilled out this and used a set from a R1 and used that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out grind out that top rivet, or the bottom one. When I did it the last time and pushed it through, seemed like it was a little big, so I'm going to do it from the bottom side this time.
You really good again.
Okay. It's off.
Now we're just going to push it through like that. Old pegs are off. And now we're going to put the new pegs on that bracket. Just like that, you put the E-clip in.
And there was nothing besides that, right? Just
Nope.
this.
Put the E-clip in, you put this on the bottom, and your pegs are in.
got the foot pegs on. These are a little bit more angled down, I guess because they're probably for an R6, but I don't think it'll be any issue riding with your foot there whatsoever. I don't know. If it bothers them, we'll change it. They were $5, so I ain't worried about it. So, right now, like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.